Using combined audiences in Google Ads helps you to create a target audience by bringing together different audience attributes, including detailed demographics and affinities. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. By using combined audiences, you can create lots of different personas within your Google Ads account to represent the different users that might look to use your products, services, and website, and target them at the right time. You can combine criteria to include, for example, home ownership, life events, and remarketing lists. Combined audience reports. Within Google Ads, by selecting audience reports, you can review how a specific audience has been performing in your campaign, including the number of impressions and views. How to create a new combined audience. When inside your Google Ads dashboard, you can select an existing or new campaign and then click on Combined Audiences within the Audiences tab. You can then choose a name for your new combined audience and select the characteristics of the audience in the Include People Who Match the Following section. You can enter phrases, terms, or individual words, or just browse the options based on your audience's interests and habits. If you want to exclude any audiences from your combined audience, you can also do this within the dashboard. As a tip, your combined audience must contain more than 1,000 users or Google Ads will not approve it. Using an existing combined audience. As soon as your combined audience is created, you can start to use it for all your campaigns or ad groups. Reach estimates. When setting up your combined audiences, Google Ads will give you a reach estimate that will show you an estimated number of impressions for your proposed audience. Exclude specific audiences. As well as choosing to include specific audiences in your campaign, you can also exclude unrelated and unprofitable audiences. This allows you to include only audiences that are relevant to your business, which will reduce your overall costs and improve the prospect of clicks and more conversions. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in. I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.